Okay. Pete the cat and the great perfect pizza party. Wow, have you eaten that?
I eat it.
What is it? Is it a circle? Is it a circle?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Is it a circle? Yes, it is. Okay. Pete the cat loves pizza. Pete the cat loves party too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party. Wow. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That will make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. Well, that sounds...
I eat it.
What is it? I don't know. It's a pizza. Is it a circle? Yes, it's a circle. It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree.
I eat it.
What is it? Carly said pepperoni will be just fine, but I really like pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new. But maybe pretzel could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Squirrel said, pepperoni and pretzel will be just fine, but I really love passions on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pasture? Pasture?
I eat it.
Well, that's something new. But maybe a passion could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Wow. And then, what is it? Wow, what's this? Yes, good. That's okay. Grumpy Todd said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pastures will be just fine. But I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new. But maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. The ghost said, pepperoni, pretzels, passions, and pickles will be just fine. But I really love popcorns on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new. But maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pickle pizza party. Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzel, passion, pickles, and popcorn will be just fine. But I really love papayas on mine. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Papaya? Is it true? Oh my God, papaya. Have you tried to taste it? Papaya. Yes. Papaya. Well, that's something new. But maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel party. And he and again piled the pepperoni